Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. So you're growing your business or you got a challenge and you're like, I need some financing. Do I do a business loan or a business line of credit? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of both and make it really simple. Business loans and business line of credit, they're both great. It really just depends on what's important to you and what you're looking to get accomplished in the business. So for example, business loans, they have set terms, set payments, and usually there's a set cost. They're very predictable and it makes it very easy to manage cash flow. If you know what your monthly payment's going to be each month, then you know exactly how to work your business around that, and it makes it a lot easier to manage your cash flow. On the other hand, business credit lines are very flexible. You get approved for a set credit line amount, and then you can pull that money and have cash on hand for whenever you may need it. The only thing with the credit line is those payments do fluctuate depending on how much you do pull, so it's just something that you have to manage a little bit differently, cash flow wise. Business loans I think are great for one-time purchases, for a big major inventory purchase, a piece of equipment, an improvement, an upgrade to your business or building, purchasing another business. These one-off, one-time purchases, business loans are great. The con is if you are purchasing a business or expanding or doing something where you don't know the exact cost, then either you have to over-borrow because you're not sure to just make sure that you're going to have enough money, or you could wind up under-borrowing and then be in the middle of a project and run out of funds. So it's not a horrible thing, but when you are going to go the business loan route, just make sure you're taking out enough money to get your project done. You don't run out of cash. On the other hand, credit lines are great for situations or businesses that are always buying inventory or materials, like contractors or people that buy and sell items, equipment, materials, manufacturers. So when you're constantly having to buy materials, buy product, buy inventory, and you just don't know exactly when you're buying it, or you're always looking for an opportunity to purchase something and resell it, having a credit line is great because you can purchase that piece of material or that piece of inventory or product and buy it, sell it, repay down the credit line, or you can buy a bunch of inventory in bulk, and as you sell it, you can pay down that credit line. You have the flexibility to buy things, repay your line, and continue to keep reusing it. So if you're in like a contractor space or manufacturing or any other industry where you're constantly buying inventory, a credit line is definitely a great option. One of the cons or things that you really need to understand with a credit line is to make sure what the utilization rules are, meaning that some credit lines you have to have an existing amount of money outstanding, or if you don't use in a certain amount of time, they'll shut the line down. So that's just something that you want to understand, so you don't open up this credit line, not use it for a while, then an opportunity arises, come to find out that the credit line's been closed. So that's just super important to understand, but not really a big deal. So again, both options are really great options for your business. It's just really a matter of what you're looking to get accomplished in the business. What's really more important before you move forward with any type of financing, whether it's a credit line or a business loan, is that you really have a plan of what you're going to look to use the financing for, and you execute on that plan, and make sure when you're borrowing money that you're putting it to good use and using it to things that are going to grow your revenue and then of course your profits. Listen, we all go through challenges growing our business, especially in the beginning, and we all go through rough patches, and sometimes you need a credit line or a small business loan to get you through a tough spot in your business, which is great, but always put that focus back on things that you can do to help grow your business and get to the next level, so you're using a financing to the fullest and getting a return on any type of capital that you're borrowing. If you'd like to explore some of these financing options either further to figure out which is the best for you, check out the link below. One of my team members would love to help talk through and explain all the options that are available today. I built out a platform that has over 75 lenders on it, and we've helped business owners all across the country obtain $1 billion in financing for their businesses. I look forward to helping you find the best financing solution for your business and help you grow to the next level. Thanks for watching Grow by Joe. I appreciate you tuning in. We'll talk soon, and make sure you subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.